In this video we are talking about this massive explosion from Raycoin and if the chance is high that we can continue this explosion to the upside or if we see a larger retracement right now. So as you can see, we saw this explosion for Raycoin and right now we are seeing this massive weekly bullish candle, which is a very bullish sign. And in the last video we were at this prices right here and I said that this range will decide if we are breaking to the downside or if we are breaking to the upside, and if we are seeing a daily or weekly body close over this highs that we then see an explosion. I will now show you the clip from the last video, but right now we are still in this bullish structure and I think the chance is high that we can see higher prices, but for this it's very important that we are breaking this last highs to the upside, and if we are breaking them and also this last high, then I think the chance is high that we can see an explosion for Raydium. And as you can see, we continued the bullish trend. We first tried to break out of this range, but we didn't saw a daily body close over this range. Then we saw a small retracement, but then with this higher low, we then saw this bullish momentum and blasted through this supply zone and this range. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Raycoin. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Ray, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And yesterday we saw this crazy bullish candle to the upside. We exploded to the upside, but we also broke this supply zone directly with this daily body close. And as you can see, we had the supply zone right here, and this last supply zone caused this extreme bearish move, and we directly broke this supply zone to the upside, which is crazy. So now if the weekly candle closes like this or even higher, then I think the chances is high that the real explosion for Raycoin just begun, and that the chances is high that we see even higher prices, because we now shifted on a bullish order flow on the weekly time frame. And I think the chances high, if we are not breaking under this supply zone to the downside, that we are then seeing even higher prices and continue the bullish trend, because we are seeing this extreme momentum. And if we are seeing a trend like this, the chances high that we continue it to the upside, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. But if you are not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come back into this zone right here, and if we are testing this supply zone again, then I would search for long entries here. And if we are seeing a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would enter a long trade to hodl it to the next highs. And as we look at the daily chart, you can see that we have space right here. We don't have any resistance, so I think the chances is high that we can see an explosion to the upside to this last highs. And for the long term, I think that Raydium has a very good potential. So this coin is really interesting for the next bull run, especially if we are seeing price increases like this. But if anything interesting happens for Raycoin, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Raycoin. So all in all, we saw this bullish explosion to the upside. And as I said, if we are breaking this range to the upside with a daily body close, that then the chances high that we see the explosion. And as you can see, we saw the explosion and closed over this last supply zone with this daily body close. So congrats to everybody who took a trade on Raydium. And right now, if we are closing on the weekly time frame like this or even higher, then I think the chances high that the real explosion is just beginning. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come back to this level and this supply zone. And if we see a bearish reaction on the smaller time frame, I would search for long entries right here and try to hodl it into the next highs. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.